nonsense.
Fucking drunken bitch.
Really?
I did it out the basement, not the attic. Oh, that fucking stinks.
That was slow motion too, 'cause watch. Ready? Doesn't even sound like I'm burping. That sounds like I'm breathing. I can't get a really good one. I'm fat.
I might come up there and hit you so hard that you're not even gonna forget who you are.
Oh my god, that is so priceless.
I just passed out.
If I would have got you falling, that would have been the funniest shit ever in the world.
Oh, that's not good. Oh, that's really
Do it
bad.
again.
I can't. I might hit myself.
You might shit yourself.
Yeah, from squeezing.
I can't fart right now. I burped again then.
Coming.
Who's that?
Alright, bye.